Hello everyone, welcome to my English class once again. Now guys, today in this video I am going to explain a very interesting short story from your literature book, that is The Open Window, written by Saki, whose real name was Hector Hugh Munro, and he was born in 1870. He was one of the greatest writers of short stories. His stories are known for their wit, humor and surprise endings. Some of his famous short stories are The Blind Spot, The Storyteller and The Open Window. So guys, let's get started. The story, The Open Window. Guys, the writer set the story in a rural area. The story revolves around an open window. Although it is an object that the girl weaved a narrative around it. She concocted the story that scared away the guest. She again made up a story and gave a scene a new twist. The swiftness in her creating a narrative were extraordinary. Guys, Frampton Nuttall is the main character of the story. He reached out to the countryside to get cured of his disease. The story opened in a house where a girl was attending to her guest in the absence of her aunt. She was a girl of 15 years and her name was Vera. He was apprehensive if he could find a cure for his nerve disease. He thought of his sister who advised and sent him to the countryside with a letter of introduction. She was skeptical of his improvement in health unless he visits a quiet and peaceful place. Guys, after a few minutes of silence, the girl inquired if he knew anyone in the surrounding. He gently answered that he was new to the place and it was his sister who stayed there about 4 years ago. He also spoke in a regretful tone about the reference letter. The girl tried to confirm if he really didn't know the people around. Frampton pondered about the state of Mrs. Stapleton while looking around in the room. The girl started concocting a story about Mrs. Stapleton. That her husband and two brothers with a spaniel went for hunting. They did not return. Their bodies were not found. That's why she kept the French window open. She often told her that her husband would enter with a waterproof coat over his arm, and Ronnie, her youngest brother, would sing the song "Bertie, why do you bound?" to tease her. She further added that even she started believing, then entered Mrs. Stapleton asking for forgiveness of delay. She was certain that Vera must have entertained him with her craft of telling stories. She informed him about her family members who went out for shooting for swine in the marshes. She was worried about her carpet as they would spoil that with muddy shoes. She kept on saying about the scarcity of birds and prospects for duck in the winter. Frampton was on his nerves when he related the two stories of the ladies of the house. Frampton called it an unfortunate coincidence that he visited on the anniversary of such a tragic elements. He told her that the doctors advised him to take complete rest and to avoid anything in the nature of violent physical exercise. Mrs. Stapleton's eyes were anxiously waiting for her husband, and then the shine came in her eyes when she saw them approaching. Through the most horrified, Frampton looked at Vera and stared at the window. The three figures entered, walking across the lawn towards the window, carrying their arms. Then her brother teased her again by saying, "Bertie, why do you bound?" Terrified with unnamed fear, Frampton picked up his things and went away, almost colliding with a cyclist. Mrs. Stapleton told her husband about Mr. Nuttall, about who asked at sudden withdrawal. Mrs. Stapleton was also taken aback at such a gesture. Vera explained that once he had experienced a horror of dogs. He was once hunted into a cemetery and had to spend a night there. The story ended at the brevity and the storytelling quality of the girl. So guys, this is the story, The Open Window, and I hope that it is clear to you.